Hey love bugs, welcome back to LucilleBatiste. And today guys, I am bringing you guys a holiday gift guide. So this is my holiday gift guide for 2018, and I just wanted to share with you guys some things that I think you should pick up for your loved ones, for yourself, whomever. Before we get into this video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you follow me on all my social media. Launched in September, LucilleBatiste.com. Make sure you guys show me some love. I have a giveaway on the way. I got y'all. So let's get into this holiday gift guide, guys. And you could give a gift to a naturalista, because you guys know that's how I first started this channel with my natural hair. So we're gonna talk about that. So first item I think is a good gift to give, and it's not specifically this item or this brand, but something that you can use, set the pace for what you want to get. So this is Uncle Funky's daughter. This is the ultimate kinky and curly hair care travel kit. So the reason why I'm suggesting this is because this has 5 products in it, and they're deluxe sample sizes, enough for you to get a lot of uses out of, and also just kind of check out the products. It's also a travel size thing, so you can give this as a gift for someone who's traveling. It gives it a nice small size for you to use. You know, these things are helpful for naturalistas. If this is a newly natural person, this allows them to try different products without really spending a whole bunch of money on a whole bunch of things, right? We don't want to spend all our coin on products that we don't like. So this is perfect for the naturalista. If you have natural friends, what I like to do sometimes is break down the set. I'll take out a couple of things and give it to different people based off of what I know they like to do with their hair, or whatever things that they like. I like to break down sets. So that's a big little tip for you guys. If you guys have a lot of friends and you know you don't want to spend too much money, or you don't have the funds to spend this much money, giving sets, you can give a set to one person, or you could break down some sets and make gift bags. And that's what I've done in the past with my friends. I've made gift bags to give everybody something without like really going ham for my wallet. If you're feeling real, you know, froggy, you could go for a huge bundle. A lot of natural hair companies are doing holiday gift bundles, and I don't have those here with me to film with or to talk about, but you know my favorite brands, guys. You can tell from what I always use in my hair, a lot of them are doing holiday collections. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to share with you a bundle set, and this is Cream of Nature's bundle set. I actually got this at a natural hair expo, at Ubiquitous Hair Expo in DC, and this has full-size hydrating curling cream, full-size curl repair leave-in, it has a foaming mousse, it has a 7 treatment oil, essential 7 treatment oil, and it has a edge control in it as well. So things like that for a naturalista are perfect. So I just wanted you guys to know, if you have a naturalista in your life, that's what you need to get them. Like stocking stuffers. Let's get into stocking stuffers. So these are actually beauty items. This is the Fenty Beauty 2 Little Mademoiselles, and this is like, just comes in a cute little ornament. Isn't that adorable? It has the Spanked and Griselda of lippies. These are plush matte lipsticks, and it comes out with like the chill out. This is the chill out edition for the holiday edition, and it just comes in a cute little ornament. You can hang this on your tree, and that could be your gift for somebody in your family, a loved one. If you're doing gifts, gift exchanges at work, there you go. If you guys have gift limits, like, these things are so easy to do. Here, this is L'Occitane. You guys know I like L'Occitane. This is, I actually got from Sephora, and this is My Sweet Essentials. This is the Amande line, which is my favorite line from them. It has the almond shower oil, the almond milk concentrate, and the hand cream in it, and it has a wonderful scent. This is actually $14, so this is something perfect if you guys have gifts, whatever things that you want to give people, or just add something to a stocking stuffer or something for someone in your family. This is perfect. More luxury things that I love and stuff that I bought myself, but this is perfect to give someone as well. So I got Drunk Elephant sets. Drunk Elephant had some sets come out for Sephora this past fall, especially during their VIB sale, and they had the big reveal. So this one has TLC Sakura Baby Facial, full size Sakura Baby Facial. It has the Bestie Jelly Cleanser, it has the Behydra Intensive Hydrating Serum, the Virgin Marula Oil, and the lippy balm in it. And I mean, it's like, this full size is what got me. The full size of TLC Sakura Baby Facial is what got me, and it's about the same price as the Sakura Baby Facial price, but like by itself, but it's a whole set with it. Like, isn't that perfect? It's perfect. It's perfect. So yeah, I just wanted you guys to be aware of that. I also got another Drunk Elephant gift set, and this is stuff you can gift for yourself, guys. You can give this to people, or you could gift to yourself, you know. So this is Drunk Elephant as well. The reason why I got this was because it had a full size of the TLC Night Glycolic Treatment Serum, and I love this serum. You guys know this is my favorite serum. It came with this, the Behydra Serum. It came with the Multivitamin Eye Cream, the Lala Retro, and the Bessie Jelly number 9. Same thing. So it's the same pricing for that, for this whole set. So you actually get 4 other products with it. So what's, you know, it's a no-brainer, right? It's a no-brainer. Next we have up, this is from Sol de Janeiro, and I actually bought Sol de Janeiro's Bum Bum Cream in a big size and the shower cream in a big size, but then I saw this set and I was like, this makes more sense for me to buy a set. You guys know I'm like, I give you guys these ideas, but I live by these ideas. I love a set. You can give definitely a bang for your buck and try more products out versus just like going for, you know, the easy stuff. So yes, I got this Brazilian Bum Bum Cream set. It comes with the large Bum Bum Cream. It comes with the hand cream, the shower cream, or actually, sorry, this is the fragrance mist. Yes. So I got this for myself, but if you want to gift it, you can gift that. You can break that up like I told you guys before and give it to multiple people, loved ones, bosses, family members, mamas, whoever. I have this gift set. This is the Mara Badescu skincare gift set. I got this from Nordstrom, and this includes the drying lotion, the herb and rosewater aloe facial spray, the enzyme cleansing gel, and the chamomile and lavender facial spray. So this is a good thing to get. It's $30 and it was $43. It's a $43 value. So you know I'm all for the sets. I'm all for skincare sets. It's easy. Like, I'm just like preaching right now. I hope y'all listening. I hope y'all will pass the plate. Pass the plate. Have you ever heard that? That's like a country southern church thing that people say when somebody's preaching. You pass the plate. So pass the plates. Subscribe to my channel. There you go. That's how you pass the plate. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. That's how you pass the plate. Okay? Tag these companies in these videos and on my Instagram and stuff when I post stuff. That's how you pass the plate. Let them know about LucilleBatiste, guys. Put me out there, you know. So share it with a friend. That's how you pass the plate. All right, so next is Algenis. This is the Algenis set I got during the Sephora VIB sale. I got a chance to try the liquid collagen full sizes, things that you get, the 100 points. I got it for 100 points, and I really liked it, and I wanted to continue to use it. This set also comes with complete eye renewal balm, and also the ultimate anti-aging cream. This is perfect for your mom, okay? Even though I'm young and I use anti-aging, you could give it to anybody, but like this would be a nice gift. This is a nice high quality luxury skincare product gift to give. It's $115. It's a $203 value. This is a full size liquid collagen in here. Like, it's a no-brainer, guys, honestly. Oh, this is great for mom, grandma, aunties. Auntie, hey auntie. Hey auntie. There you go. Like, it's easy. This can be for anybody in your family, because who wants dry, cracked, ashy skin? No one, right? So this is the Kiehl's Cream de Corp. This is a large size. This is a liter size. I got this during Nordstrom's anniversary sale. This is a $52 price, but it's actually $75 normally. So if you can catch a deal still on this, and even if you don't catch a deal, this is great. It's a liter size, okay? A liter of lotion. This will last you for... Okay guys, so yes, I went through all of those products, all those gift sets, but if you are still stuck and you can't figure out what to give whoever it is that's on your Christmas list, you can always default for a little gift card to their favorite store, or even a Visa gift card. You can always do that. You can always Cash App somebody, Venmo them money. But to me, a gift that's thoughtful and from the heart is all that matters. This holiday season, just showing appreciation and love for all the people in your life that you care about is the most important thing. It doesn't have to be a monetary gift, a physical gift. You could just do something for someone, be helpful to someone, and be a kind heart to someone. That's all that matters, honestly. Holiday season is not about gift giving. It is not about just gifts and things. It's about loving others, taking care of other people, and giving back to people and showing people that you care. So whichever way that you want to do that, I suggest you do that. That's my holiday gift guide for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you stay tuned for more videos that are coming up my sleeve right here. Got a lot of videos on the way. I have giveaways on the way. So that means that you need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. That means you need to be following me, and make sure that your notification bell is turned on so you don't miss any uploads from me. Make sure that you're catching up to the videos. If you haven't watched the videos yet, catch up and just watch the videos. I have a lot of videos on playlists. Just go through the playlist. Also, make sure that you're following me on Instagram. I need to get my Instagram followers up, guys. So show me some love on Instagram. Share it with a friend. Share my page with a friend. Let folks know about LucilleBatiste. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up as well. You can follow me on Facebook, on my Facebook page. You can also please check out my site. Subscribe to my blog site. Leave a comment below if you enjoy one of my posts on there as well, because I will have the holiday gift guide on my blog site, so stay tuned for that as well. And I also have it linked below once that uploads and once I finish publishing it. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy holidays to everybody, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, love bugs.